How plants generate electrical energy. Did you know that plants can generate electrical energy? While they don't produce electricity like power plants, they create small electrical signals through fascinating natural processes. Let's explore how this works. Electrochemical gradients and ion transport. Plants maintain electrochemical gradients by transporting ions like potassium and calcium across their cell membranes. This movement of charged particles creates small electrical potentials, similar to how our nerves send signals. Photosynthesis and electron flow. During photosynthesis, plants convert light energy into chemical energy. This process involves electron transport chains, where electrons move between molecules. While this isn't direct electricity generation, it's a flow of electrons that could be harnessed. Plant microbial fuel cells. Scientists have developed plant microbial fuel cells, where plants excrete organic compounds into the soil. Microbes break down these compounds, releasing electrons that can be captured by electrodes to generate electricity. Environmental responses and electrical signals. Visuals: time-lapse of a plant responding to touch or light, with electrical signal animations. Plants also generate electrical signals in response to their environment, like light, temperature changes, or touch. These signals help them communicate and adapt to their surroundings. Applications and future potential. While the electricity generated by plants is small, it has exciting applications, like powering sensors or creating sustainable energy systems. Who knows? In the future, your houseplants might help power your home. Plants are more than just a source of oxygen and beauty, they're tiny powerhouses of electrical activity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to appreciate the hidden wonders of nature.